I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 15th day of June. It's summer, so you know it's going to be hot and humid today, and it's going to rain somewhere this afternoon. The big question is who gets the rain, how much rain will fall. Let's see what we've got this morning. Look out the window. First off, the sky cam coming from Auburn. In Lee County, sky clear this morning. Temperatures mostly in the 70s. Go up north to Cullman. Sky clear there, getting set for a nice sunrise. And from Birmingham, looking south from the top of the Daniel building, there's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. The big trough that was out west is lifting north, kind of beating down the ridge a little bit. And again, we think that will drop highs into the low 90s instead of the mid-90s. I don't know if you can really tell the difference, but maybe some people can. Most of the active convection this morning is well to the north and west. Still some flash flood watches over east Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas, southwest Missouri, and also northeast of the state, places like Cincinnati, Ohio, under a flash flood watch this morning. Convective outlook. The risk areas will stay well to the west and north, even parts of Idaho and Montana and Wyoming with a severe weather risk today. Must be summer. And look at that, same areas tomorrow. Montana, parts of Dakotas, Nebraska, Wyoming, Idaho, and a small risk around D.C. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk up over the upper Midwest. And here's the map I don't like in the summer, but we show it anyway because people watch this from all over. But down here in the deep south where we are, it's not very helpful because of the scattered nature of the afternoon storms. For example, downtown Birmingham yesterday had over 1 inch of rain in about, 30 minutes. And other folks had nothing. But on a smoothed basis, this is suggesting about 3/4 of an inch for the state. But the next 5 days, valid through the weekend, Sunday evening at 7. Our tropical disturbance is out there, taking more of a northwest component of motion overnight, still hanging in there. And the guys at NHC are running a 50% chance of this thing becoming a depression, but it will be running into harsher winds aloft soon, so the window is fairly narrow for this thing to develop. Also watch that little clump over the Bay of Campeche. I know they don't have that highlighted, but we'll keep an eye on that as well. There's a modeling on the AL92 and the Atlantic. The models have shifted a bit to the right. The ones that identify it, many do not. Now taking it generally a little north of the islands. But again, whether it survives is very much questionable. We'll check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. There's the shortwave way up north. And again, the ridge a little weaker. And we'll see scattered showers and storms around. And kind of like the QPF chart, quite frankly, these synoptic scale maps are not that useful, the ones we show you here in the summer. But that's today. This is tomorrow. And again, we'll be in maritime tropical air. The cap is a little weaker, so again, as the weather heats up, we'll see scattered showers and storms by afternoon, low 90s for the high. Same thing Thursday. Friday, not a whole lot of difference. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, it seems like the ridge is a little stronger as the westerlies retreat north again, and that should mean mid-90s. And again, there could be a storm out there Saturday, but they'll be pretty isolated. Sunday and Monday. Looks like the moisture axis is there. And again, that would suggest very typical summer weather. Partly sunny, hot, muggy, a few scattered showers and storms. And Tuesday of next week. A lot of green, but that's probably overdone. The storms should be scattered. Check the end of the forecast, the end of the month, June 30th. And the ridge is there, but not overwhelming. So quite frankly, the weather looks almost the same out there about 15 days from now. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.